It's a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder, thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: continuously variable automatic transmission, heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, smartphone wireless charging, and V6 engine. The Car Connection believes behind the wheel, drivers will likely forget they're driving a 7-seat crossover utility vehicle. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.